Hi there, Mac here from Prestige Cars Kent. This is a quick video walkthrough of our 2019 Mercedes-Benz A220 AMG line Premium Plus we have new in stock. This A220 AMG line is finished in the optional Iridium silver metallic paint, and this car comes with the optional Premium Plus package. Being an AMG line model means you get the 18-inch 5-spoke titanium look alloy wheels with the diamond turned finish. You also get some of the AMG line body styling features such as the chrome front splitter, the chrome edge on the rear diffuser, chrome exhaust pipes, LED tail lights, and then you've got your Multibeam LED headlights with the adaptive Highbeam Assist Plus as part of the Premium Plus package. That also gets you the panoramic sliding sunroof on the interior, the full electric functions for the driver and the passenger with the memory settings as well. You get the electronically folding exterior mirrors, the Mercedes-Benz sound system, the 10-inch media display, some infotainment features such as smartphone integration, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, active park assist with ParkTronic, traffic sign assist, and the MBUX multimedia system, which you can see here on the center console with the touchpad. You've got your climate control functions further up. You can see the ambient lighting, again part of the Premium Plus package, which is changeable on the center screen, where you've also got access to your reversing camera and some of the other driving assists. Your leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel with access to cruise control, and your half-leather, half-microfiber seats here with the contrast red stitching, which also runs throughout the cabin. If you would like any more information on this Mercedes-Benz A220 AMG line Premium Plus, please contact one of our sales team through the number provided at the end, or inquire through our website.